Open your browser and go to the YouTube official website. Search for Yahboom and play the video. Take a photo, then organize the text in the photo into a table and send it to me. Hi Yahboom, help me organize the fields on my desktop.
Now the desktop is much tidier. All files are categorized by type.
Remind me to start a meeting in 3 minutes.
Three-minute scheduled task timeout. Meeting is about to start.
Write a piece of Python code. Cell 1 rotates rapidly, Cell 2 rotates slowly, and turn on the RGB rainbow light. Take a photo, analyze the location coordinates of the red apple in the photo, and send them to me, and display them on the OLED screen. Hi Yahboom, dance for me. Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
Describe the signs you see.
This is a miniature model scene. Contains gray buildings, green trees, and colorful blocks. Red, yellow, blue, and green are places on a blue grid background.
Hi Yahboom. What's the weather like today?
Today's outdoor temperature is 29 degrees Celsius. The indoor temperature is 27.5 degrees Celsius, and the humidity is 49%.
Detecting the current growth status of the plant and providing care suggestions based on the surrounding temperature and the humidity.
Leaves are yellowish green, need care, temperature 28.5 degrees Celsius, humidity 50%.
Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
Tell me a story.
Once upon a time in a quaint little village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a curious fox named Finn. Finn loved exploring the ancient forest beyond the village.
Hi Yahboom, let's play rock, paper, scissors. Cell 1 is scissors, Cell 2 is paper, Cell 3 is rock. Display game result on the OLED screen.
Result: I, paper you, rock I won.
Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
Let's examine the scenes before us, then generate an image of a similar scenes.
Okay, I will first examine the scene before me, and then generate an image similar to the scene.